Welcome to the tutorial for using our Google Map Location Scraper. With this powerful tool, you can collect publicly available data from Google Maps in bulk, such as phone numbers, emails, websites, and more. Using this method, you can target an entire country, a region, a state, or a specific city, all based on your needs. Step 1. Choose categories and language. Here you'll need to select 1 to 3 business categories. Choose your preferred language. We provide a wide range of categories directly sourced from Google Maps, from restaurants and cafes to gas stations and clinics. Language recommendation. We highly recommend choosing English. Why? Because using English allows you to enable the exact match option, which helps you extract only the listings that precisely match your selected categories. Other languages may lead to less accurate results due to variations in naming. Step 2. Select a location. Choose where you want to collect data from. This can be a specific city, one or more districts, a full state, or even the entire country. Step 3. Apply filters. Here you can fine-tune your search using powerful filters. No duplicates prevents duplicate records and ensures clean data. Minimum star rating, only scrape listings with a certain number of stars or higher, e.g. 2 stars and up. Minimum number of reviews. Set a threshold. For example, only collect listings with 100 plus reviews. These filters help improve the quality and relevance of your dataset. Step 4. Final check. This is your final step before starting the scraping process. You'll be able to review all selected options, click Edit to go back and change any step, and once everything looks good, hit Start Scraping. Once launched, you'll first see the message, Initializing scraping, please wait. This means the system is preparing to launch your task. Within the next few seconds, the scraper will begin collecting data. Once active, the dashboard will update and show estimated cost, approximate number of rows, estimated completion time. The scraper will continue working until it finishes collecting all the data based on your criteria or until your balance runs out. After that, you'll be able to download your results in CSV, XLSX, or JSON format. Red Rock Tech, precision, scale, and no subscriptions. Collect the data you need, fast, seamlessly, and without limits.